So I'm gonna kind of put a drink together.
Okay.
It's gonna be a grande.
Okay.
It's gonna be a latte.
Is it hot or iced?
It's gonna be hot.
Okay.
And can I get 1 pump of mocha?
Okay.
Can I get 1 pump of raspberry?
Okay.
And half a pump of hazelnut?
Okay.
And whipped cream.
Okay.
And that'll be all.
Okay, your total will be 505.
Thank you. So here's the drink I just ordered. So basically, you guys, I just came up with this recipe. I don't know what it's gonna taste like. The reason why I wanted to come up with my own drink is because every time I start shopping for the holiday season, I go to Starbucks and they have, you know, white mocha and all these holiday drinks, peppermint mocha, and they're not my thing. I mean, they're okay, they're good, they're fun to drink, but they're not my thing. I always had ideas of how I would create my own drink, so that's why I wanted to create this drink. So this is a latte, you guys. It has 2 shots of espresso. You can always add an extra espresso shot. It also has 1 pump of mocha, which is chocolate, and their mocha is not too sweet, which is a good thing. It also has 1 pump of raspberry. Mocha raspberry, I don't know why, I just think that's gonna taste amazing, and half a pump of hazelnut. I was trying to figure out what I asked for. I was like, half a pump of hazelnut and whipped cream. So it has regular milk. I mean, it's not like the healthiest keto drink or anything, but I think it's gonna be so good, and I just think it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna give you a holiday vibe while you're out doing all your Christmas shopping, but it's not gonna be too pepperminty, which again is not my thing. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what this tastes like. Okay. I literally just tasted that and I already feel like it's shopping time. I love drinking hot Starbucks shopping. All right, so let's try this baby. Oh my God, it's amazing. Wow, the raspberry and the mocha are like, literally, they're so good, you guys. So good. And the hazelnut, like you can taste the hazelnut, like you want to taste the hazelnut, but it's very, very light. Oh my goodness. Wow. I just thought of a name for this. I'm gonna call it SHOPMAS BLISS. Like SHOPMAS BLISS. SHOPMAS BLISS, like Christmas bliss, SHOPMAS BLISS. That's what I'm calling it. Oh, it's so hot, I can't drink it fast enough. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is what it looks like inside. It's like really, really good. It's so good, it's so good. I'm totally gonna be like ordering this all holiday season. I feel like I've tried every Starbucks drink there is. Like I really feel like I have. So that's why I was like, I should just make up my own drink. I wanna see if you guys come up with your own drinks. I'd love to try them. You guys should totally accept this challenge. Make up your own drink and then I'll try it on my channel. What I love about Starbucks mocha is it's like totally not that strong. It's not like Nesquik or Hershey's, like it's very light. That's why I knew it would go really nice with the raspberry. Coffee started to kick in. My lipstick's coming off. All right. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so good. SHOPMAS BLISS. All right, this is good. I love it. I recommend it. Try it. Tag me. Follow me on Instagram. Yeah, tag me on Instagram so that way I can see you guys trying it. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys want to accept this challenge, please do so. I love to see what you guys come up with. So it's Saturday, my day off. We went to the doctor today with Enrique, and we had a great time. Now I'm headed to the thrift store. I'm gonna go shopping for some work clothes since I can't find none anywhere else. If you guys have not seen me try and find clothes for work, I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can check that video out. I mean, literally, I couldn't find clothes anywhere. So I was like, why don't I just hit up my local thrift store? By the way, if you guys are in the IE, make sure to check out Desert Industries thrift store. It's literally like the best thrift store ever. It's like literally cleaner than a Walmart. I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna go look, I mean, probably for 2 hours. So I thought I'd make a video on, you know, all my finds. So make sure to check that out. I know I was uploading 5 days a week and now I'm down to 3 days a week, and that's just because of my work schedule. I'm just kind of adjusting to having a job after 6 years. So yeah, I plan on uploading more soon, but right now my schedule is Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see me do in the comments. If you're one of my friend creators, I want to see you guys invent your own drinks. Don't forget to tag me in it, and I totally just want to see what you guys come up with, and then I can try your drink and you can try my drink, and yes, we can share the love. Okay, let me have one more drink before we end this video. And it's so good. You guys have to try this. I will see you guys on my next video. Deuces dailies.